What's up, Girl Gang? It's your girl Lalaslim here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my 2025 wash day routine, and my brother is doing my voiceover, so this should be interesting. So just keep watching, and once you're done with this video, comment down below your favorite line that you heard. 'Cause even in the madness, there is peace, drowning out the voices all around me. Through all of this chaos, you are writing a symphony. You guys will not believe this. My brother just canceled on me for the third time for this voiceover. So I guess I'll be doing it myself. So I just showed you guys the shampoo and conditioner that I currently use. Now I'm getting in the shower and wetting my hair. You have to make sure your hair is completely wet so that when you go in to put in the shampoo, you're properly washing your hair. Y'all, don't start counting my grays. See, at first, I was just letting the water run through my hair, and I just got tired of it. I'm just like, you know what? I'll just grab the handheld so that way I can better wet my hair, and it just kind of makes the process a lot quicker. Okay, so now I'm also trying to get rid of a lot of water because I had excess amount of water in my hair, and now I'm putting in my shampoo. Now you just want to make sure that when you're washing your hair, you're really focusing on the scalp because that's where it gets the most buildup. Oh my gosh, do you guys see the length? Honestly, I could say that my hair has grown a lot since I cut it like a couple years back. And it's growing a lot healthier. It feels nice. And it also like if you've been following me for some time, your hair should be the same length or even maybe longer. Now you're gonna see me go in and add my conditioner to my hair. Yeah, I didn't add enough, so y'all gonna see me add more. And honestly, like, you can never have too much, okay? You can never have too much conditioner in your hair. Now I'm gonna be sectioning my hair. Oh, there goes my failed attempt at sectioning my hair into two parts so that I can detangle it while I still have the conditioner in it. Yes, look at the curls thriving. I could actually say that after all this detangling and hard work, I should be buff by now, you know? From both sides. Can you imagine? So now I'm gonna go ahead and rinse out my hair. Usually before I rinse out my hair, I would do a deep conditioning. So the deep conditioning is with the conditioner that's already in my hair, plus whatever oil of your choice. And you would just leave that on for about 30 minutes to an hour and then rinse it out. And if you reach this far into my video, comment a thumbs up down below, and that means that you just reached the end of the video. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and also share this video with whoever you think it could help, because they'll be able to have access to my other videos so that they can be on their hair growth and healthy hair journey. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you guys next time. Bye.